Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to present some top ranked research software that you can use in your research projects. So the first software that I recommend is the MaxQDA software. So this is um, a qualitative data analysis, presentation, and visualization software. So we can have some thematic analysis, we can have codes, categories, labels, among others, in addition to word clouds, etc. So we just can download or import our data, be the texts, PDFs, tables, even images, audios, and videos, because data can take different forms, and we can analyze it using this software by drawing codes, labels, and categories. And by the way, quantitative data, or rather qualitative data, can be quantified by some analysis tool like Spaces or Excel, etc. And even within the software, the calculation of some keywords is done using frequencies, etc., or percentages. The second software is what we call the AtlasTI. So this software is commonly used. It's easier to navigate, as you can see. So it has different coding, the analysis part, the the import and export functions, the tools, etc. So there are different functionalities that can be used in MaxQDA, especially with regard to word cloud and thematic analysis for thematic analysis, let's say research projects. These are for qualitative data analysis. You can even find some online. There are just websites that provide some examples, or rather some functionalities of analysis. The second category of the research software is quantitative, in the sense that it deals with number, and the first one that is an open and free software is RStudio. So this RStudio just needs the data to be imported from Excel or CSV to it, and then some packages will need to be installed here in the console menu. So you just install packages that are related to different functionalities, and you start running some descriptive and inferential statistical tests from this menu, and you get the output and plot here. And then you can just copy and paste them to Microsoft Office Word. And this requires skills of coding, although it's free, but you should already have statistics background. Then the other software that does not require coding is Spaces, like programming rather, but it requires coding with regard to the data view and the variable view. But it's straightforward with regard to the analysis, in the sense that you don't bring the functions. The functions are already built into it. You just execute them based on what you want to see and which variables you want to investigate. So Spaces is the most famous one. Then we have the last one that I want to present here, besides Excel, as which is famous, is JASP. So this JASP is very good with regard to data analysis, although it requires internet connection, but it's free. So you can run, for example, regression, and I can just show you an example. Here we want, for example, anxiety with regard to the other variables, like we call them factors. The R squared change, the descriptives, you get the output in APA format style. So the null hypothesis model and the alternative model. You can see all the that you want to have here, or rather functionalities that you want to have in the rather the JASP software. So you can find many functionalities. So this is just in brief. It is quite easy compared to the other research software. If you have other questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below or contact me via one of my social media. Till then, see you in another video. Bye for now.